should I be shooting in manual? And the answer is yes, you should be shooting in manual. And why? And I know those cameras today, they are very capable cameras, right? You put on portrait mode, or depending which camera, which brand you're shooting, right? In cameras like portrait mode or aperture mode, I think there's a creative mode. I honestly don't know because I never used them. I already start shooting in manual. I never shoot in any other mode other than, I have shot like aperture mode a few times, but it's a special situation. But why do you want to shoot in manual? And this is what this channel is all about. Here I teach you how to move from point A to point B in photography without getting too complicated, right? And you can't do this if you're shooting is something that the camera is thinking for you. The cool thing about the manual is that manual mode is that you are thinking about the photography you want to take. You know what you want to do, right? The camera doesn't know what you want to do. The camera can't think for you, okay? And that's why it's important to learn how to shoot in manual. And most of the time you should be shooting in manual because you need to make those changes on your settings that will create the image that you have up here. We've been talking about this for some time now, to have the image ready up here before you push the button, right? Yes, the answer to the question is yes, you should be shooting in manual at this point.